Welcome guys to this new channel. My name is Varnika and I'm going to teach you the whole course of class 11th PCB. All the PCB students can get the benefits from this channel. So, we are going to learn chapter 1, the living world. So, let's get started. So, on the first chapter, our first topic is about a biologist whose name is Ernst Mayr. So, I'm going to tell you some important points related to him. So, you have to mark them and they'll help you in your exams. So, Ernst Mayr born on 5th July 1904 in Kempten, Germany. So, mark this. Ernst Mayr, the Harvard University evolutionary biologist. He was the evolutionary biologist in the Harvard University who has been called the dawn of 20th century. In your exam they can ask you who was known as the dawn of 20th century. So Ernst Mayr was known as the dawn of 20th century. He was one of the 100 greatest scientists of all time. He joined Harvard's Faculty of Arts and Sciences in 1953 and retired in 1975. So, don't forget, he joined the Harvard's Faculty of Arts and Science in the year 1953 and retired in 1975. So, throughout his nearly 80-year career, his research spanned ornithology, taxonomy, zoogeography, evolution, systematics, and the history and philosophy of biology. He also pioneered the currently accepted definition of a biological species. He also pioneered the currently acceptable definition of biological species. After his definition, no one gave another definition for biological species. So his definition is currently accepted. Mayr was awarded the three prizes widely regarded as the Triple Crown of Biology. We can say that Ernst Mayr was wearing the Triple Crown of Biology. So let's listen what were the name of those prizes. So, the Bunsen Prize in 1983. So, what was the first prize that he got? The Bunsen Prize in the year 1983. The second prize that he got was the International Prize for Biology in the year 1994. Please be careful about the years, don't forget. And the Crawford Prize in 1999. He died at the age of 100 in the year 2004. He did a century and then died. So don't forget that when he died, his age was 100 and the year was 2004. So I'm going to bind up my class here only, and thanks for watching. If you like my way of teaching, so you can go like, subscribe, and don't forget to click that bell icon, and you can also give me feedback in the comment section and also ask me questions related to class 11th PCB. I'll help you. I'll try my best to give you my best. Thanks for watching. See you soon, guys.